Focus is playing up today. Subscribe. Pretty sure this final spin's going to be struggling. Just the way it's rotating at the moment. It's going to join now. Oh no. What's it going to join now? Let's see what happens now. Looks like it might be out of balance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I have got a lot of short videos out as well now. So yeah, I'm doing YouTube shorts as well as normal videos now, so subscribe. Oh, I think this might be a bad one. It can hammer bit the bearings when it does this. Here we go. Whoa! That's a massive one, bloody hell. And it's had to stop. That was wicked. It's going to be another one. Here it's struggling a bit. You must subscribe to the channel for more content like this. This is bloody crazy. Not as bad. Starting to steam up a bit now. if you can pick that up on the video, but look how that bad shaking that is. You can actually feel it on vibrating the bloody floor here. This is a very bad one. Definitely subscribe, this is bloody crazy! Crazy, crazy, crazy. Bloody crazy. Candy grand away yourself. I knew this would happen today. The drum there, you see it moving backwards and forwards. Even the camera's struggling to pick it up because it's going that fast. Look at that. Oh. Bloody hell. Yeah. That was fantastic. Almost blowing up on me then. Bloody hell. Never seen it be that intense before. And now we've stopped. There we go. 2 minutes. That I'm gonna wrap this video up now. Subscribe. I have got a lot more short contents as well coming. So I actually just found out I get monetized for that with YouTube bonuses if I get so many views. So yeah, I'm hoping to might be getting an email off YouTube for making money off YouTube, bloody hell, and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, subscribe. Lots more contents. I'm doing this channel for years now, so I'm going to be a very active YouTuber, so definitely subscribe. I've actually posted about 18, I'm posting like over 8 videos a day now of me. I'm really enjoying it, so yeah, subscribe.